Hello, everyone. Welcome to Chevion, where we explore exciting investment opportunities. Today, we have a special episode as we delve into the top 10 physical assets to consider investing in 2024. Remember, always conduct your research and consider consulting with financial experts before making any investment decisions. Let's jump right in. 1. Renewable energy. Infrastructure. First on our list is investing in renewable energy infrastructure. As the world continues to shift towards sustainable energy, assets like solar and wind farms are gaining traction. They not only align with environmental goals but can provide long-term returns. 2. Real estate. Next up, we have the timeless classic, real estate. Whether it's residential or commercial properties, real estate tends to be a stable investment. Consider locations with potential for growth or redevelopment. 3. Precious metals. In uncertain times, precious metals like gold and silver often shine. They serve as a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Keep an eye on market trends and geopolitical factors. 4. Agricultural land. Investing in agricultural land is a strategic move. As the global population continues to grow, so does the demand for food. Quality farmland can provide steady returns. 5. Rare earth metals. Rare earth metals are essential in the production of modern electronics. As technology advances, the demand for these metals is expected to rise. Consider investing in mining companies or directly in these valuable resources. 6. Art and collectibles. For those with an appreciation for beauty, art and collectibles can be a unique investment. Look for pieces with historical significance or those from emerging artists. The art market can be lucrative for well-chosen pieces. 7. Water rights. Water scarcity is becoming a global concern. Investing in water rights or companies involved in water management can be a smart move. After all, water is a fundamental resource we can't live without. 8. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have been making waves for a while now. While they can be volatile, they also offer significant potential for growth. Stay informed about the latest developments in the crypto world. 9. Timberland. Timberland can be a sustainable and profitable investment. With responsible forestry practices, timberland can provide both environmental benefits and financial returns over the long term. 10. Infrastructure bonds. Lastly, consider investing in infrastructure bonds. Governments often issue bonds to fund large-scale projects like roads, bridges, and airports. They provide a stable income stream with the added benefit of contributing to societal development. And there you have it, folks. Our top 10 physical assets to consider investing in 2024. Remember, each investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Diversify your portfolio and consider seeking advice from financial experts. Thanks for joining us on Chevion, and whether you like it or not, please give us a review and consider subscribing to stay updated in investing world.